So there are certain textbooks that I recommend when it comes to fashion designing. And this is probably the Bible when it comes to pattern making for fashion designing. It's a great textbook. Everyone in the industry uses this book. Pattern Making for Fashion Design by Helen Joseph Armstrong. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this textbook covers everything from your basics, how to draft a basic bodice, pleats and tucks and shirring and different necklines, cutting patterns on the bias, jackets, corsets and bustiers. It really goes into details. And basic shirts, fancy shirts, and tailoring, construction, and even menswear. Yep, even menswear. So another book that I recommend is this one, which is really more of a spiritual, if you will, a spiritual guide to higher creativity, The Artist's Way. And it covers basic principles like identity, power, integrity, possibility, abundance, connection, strength, compassion, autonomy. It's even endorsed by Martin Scorsese, the filmmaker, for writers, poets, actors, painters, musicians, and creative people in all walks of life. So check it out. And then, of course, we have my book, which is really a workbook that goes with the course, with my online course, How to Be a Fashion Designer, right? So there you have it. These are all available on my Amazon store. I'll put a link in the bio and the description. These are just a few of the supplies and textbooks that I recommend. There's tons more on my Amazon store, supplies, books, etc. So check it out. I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.